Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel The Unboxing King. My name is Kartik and I am the host over here. Today in this unboxing video, I am going to unbox the Gan 356X version 2 cube as well as a Gan standard loop for the same. And also, I will be leaving the link of these two products down below in the description. So let's start unboxing it. So here we have the box and let's open it. And also before that we can see that it is the official Gan Cube, and at the back side we can see all its specifications. So in the box you get 3 items. First is obviously our cube. Let's keep it aside. Second thing which you get is a VIP card. So it's a special card which is given to only Gan owners. So we can see that it's written in, I think, Chinese or Japanese language, because it's a company from that country. And here's a special serial code which represents our cube. So this was the card. And now let's move on to the accessories. So here we have a nice design box. So we need to put our fingers over here and pull it. So obviously in this box we have the guide on how to solve this cube. So if you're a non-cuber and it's your first time solving a Rubik's cube, this is a guide for you to help you out. So in this guide we can see it's quite big that I can't even cover it on the frame. So here we can see that there are 2 methods mentioned. The first is the beginner's method, which is quite easy, and it is also called the layer by layer method, as you can see. And the second method, which is an intermediate level, and using it you can solve the cube under 30 seconds, is the CFOP method. So the full form of it is cross, F2L, OLL and PLL. So if you want, I can also make a tutorial on it. Just comment below if you want a tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's cube as well as these other methods. So let's keep the box and this VIP card aside, and now let's look at the main cube. So here we can see that it's quite like a plastic box, and it's just like a case which protects our cube. And there's the stand over here, so you can easily stand it anywhere, and it looks quite good. So now let's open it. Here we can see we just need to do like this, and it opens just like a safe case. So here we have the cube, and now let's give it a shake. Wow, this cube is so smooth. You can see how fast I'm able to do all the algorithms. I just love this cube. Now let's have a speed comparison between the old cube and the new cube. So overall, this cube is amazing. And now let me show you the loop for it. So here we have the Gan standard loop, and also I will drop down the links of both these cubes as well as the standard loop. And if this cube is discontinued right now, I will share the links of the alternative cubes just like the same. So let's open it. So this is a nice loop, and to insert it, to apply it, you just need to press it between these gaps. Right now I won't do it because my cube is already lubed and it's quite fast. Now let me show you some of its other accessories. So here we have the magnets. These are quite nice. So there is null, strong, medium and low, and it's quite easy to remove or insert them. So for example, I have this low magnet over here, and to apply it you just need to pop it something like this. Over here we can see that the medium or the yellow magnets are applied. So to apply it we have to do it something like this, and we can see that it pops out. So we just need to apply the pressure, and the other one. So over here we can see that it's inserted and the other magnet has now come out. So I want it medium only, so I will do the same again, and we can see now this magnet has come out. The other thing that we get in the box is another manual, and this guide or the manual shows the magnets. So here it's written in Chinese and here in English, so you can read it, and we can see the types of magnets and the springs. Let me show you the springs. So here we get a tool for the springs, and if we open the main core part, we can see that this is the spring over here. So you can use the tool in this packet, or else you can do it with fingers, so you can tighten it or loosen it. And now let me put it again. So this was the unboxing of the Gan 356X, and also let me remind you again that the links of these products have been mentioned in the description box. So this was the unboxing of the Gan 356X and its accessories. I hope you liked this video. Bye for now.